Welcome back, everybody, to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. We're almost down here at Barbie Beach, trying to get through this roundabout without getting run over. That's how you properly do a roundabout. Antique Tractor Show, October 7th. So, right here's the beach. I don't know what to do, and probably getting ready for the Antique Tractor Show. That's probably what it is. So let's get parked right here. Oh shit! And we'll go check out Barbie Beach. The lady that makes Barbie Beach is right here. Yeah, I don't want to record her, but the pink scooter is in the house. It'll be out in September for breast cancer, well, but also it's naked now. So she said, yeah, they got a new one, the Fairy Barbie or whatever she told me the name. So this is just pretty much getting ready for the tractor show, tractor pull. So, yeah. Oh, man. So, that's pretty much it. The Barbie Beach tractor pull. Woohoo! Alright, folks. Hope you enjoyed the little Barbie Beach thing. That's the lady that does it. She's getting everything prettied up. She also told me that the Barbie Beach is in the pink Barbie's in the house. So if you want to see the roadside attraction thing, that video will be out right here, baby. If not, it'll be over here. I don't know. We'll see. Y'all ride safe. We'll catch you on the next one.